KGTV, KGTV, ƙauren gwando talabijin. Sabon gidan talabijin nan mai farin jini, wato ƙauren gwando TV.
To ka gyara zama a gonan ka ba.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Mai halin jinkan tallakawa.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka daɗi.
Ga jirgi na fito zaɓi na kowa.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Da ƙaura mai tari na baiwa.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka daɗi.
Musa na Allah da kai na ne na dawo.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Sakon kabir sani jahin na kawo.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka daɗi.
Yes, ɗan gona ta ne na goyo.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Shi ya dauna yin waƙar na kawo.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka
Ƙaura
daɗi.
irin ka ƙasa ta abin gani ba.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Ban san wani mai kushe kaɗai ba.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka daɗi.
Gwada zo kake ƙaura ba ragowa.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka
Yo
ba.
yan adawa a masun karfi tuba.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka
Da ta
daɗi.
ƙaura na ayyuka na girma.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
Yo jihar Kebbi mun more makoma.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka daɗi.
An ba da kula sashe na nowa.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka bawa.
Ga kosai kuma ga matsawa.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka
Yanzu
daɗi.
jihar Kebbi na layi na farko.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka bawa.
Yo Kebbi tana ta daɗe na ƙarko.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka
Shi
daɗi.
kamun fara aiki na sauko.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka
Ni
bawa.
ma Musa faran nasara na tako.
Ƙauren gwando rukon ka
Yau
daɗi.
gashi ana gyaran titi ƙasa.
Now be followed, it will thereafter be followed by the swearing in of our respective sole administrators. With the permission of the chairman, I have the pleasure to invite Honorable Bala Mohammed Yauri, I also have the privilege to invite Justice Saviu, who is to administer the oath of office.
Women of Kebbi State, I will discharge my duty
the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability, faithfully,
and in accordance with
and in accordance with the Constitution
the Federal Republic
of the Federal Republic of
and
Nigeria
the law,
and the law,
and always
and always
the interest,
and the interest,
sovereignty,
sovereignty,
integrity,
integrity,
solidarity,
solidarity,
well-being,
well-being,
and prosperity
and the prosperity
of the Federal Republic
of the
of
Federal Republic of
Nigeria,
Nigeria,
that I will strive
that I will strive
to
to
preserve
preserve
the fundamental objectives
the fundamental objectives
and directive principles
and directive
of
principles
state policy
and the state policy
contained in the
contained in the first Constitution
Federal Republic of Nigeria,
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that I will not
allow my personal interest
to influence my official
to
conduct
influence my official conduct
or my official
or my official
decision,
decision,
that I will,
to
to
the best of my ability,
preserve,
protect,
and defend the Constitution
and defend the Constitution
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
abide by the Code of Conduct that I will abide by the code of conduct
contained in the 5th schedule
contained on the 5th schedule
to the Constitution
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that in all circumstances
I will do right
with all manner of people
according to law
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a commissioner of the government of Kebbi State, except may be required for the due discharge of my duty as a commissioner. So help me God.
Of the local government, Yahudi local government, Abu Shuaibu. Engaski local government, Manir Abubakar. Argungu local government, Aliyu Sani Gulma. Anki local government, Bello Hassan. Then the local government, Arewa local government, Sani Aliyu Tela. Binne Kebbi local government, Dahiru Neaya Africa. Gwandu local government, Atiku Mandia, Kota. Aleru local government, Abu Jada. Jega local government, Ibrahim Isa Basaura. Mayama local, Haruna Garba Koko. Kalgo local government, Yahya Balasuba. Buza local government, Umar Gwadi. Bagudo local government, Aliyu Sambotaga. And finally, Suru local government, Mohammed Lawan. In the same vein, I am to invite my Lord to stand up so as to administer.
The sole administrator, you mention your local government. I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct, consciences, I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as sole administrator, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as sole administrator, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me.
Today we are making another milestone of history, because we are doing an obligation that is enshrined in our books and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We have just sworn in the new sole administrators of 21 local governments in Kebbi State. A win-win situation. You can see There are elderly people there, and we also have young people there. Like I always promise the young people that this government, inshallah, politically will allow them to grow. And you can see that I have fulfilled my promise. Leadership cannot be done by one person. To move this state forward is the responsibility of all. We have been trying our best within the limited resources that we have to do justice to the entire people of Kebbi State. Some of these sole administrators are a product of second term in office. All my life, the history of my contest, I have enjoyed second term from local government to state to national. Even with the pressure that I have so much, but being a labor leader, I can control pressure. Some people are on the opinion that all the local government chairmen, that's whether one term or two terms should go. But I feel I need to do justice to some people. Because they have served diligently and morally, I should be seen as a leader to allow them to go for second term in office. Which means that I am standing here before you, I'm a product of second term in office. It's only one local government a chairman that is supposed to go for second term out of 11 of them. But because of certain reasons and circumstances, he is the only one that did not come for second term. So therefore, not because we don't want him, this administration need him, he has done his best, sentiment apart. Inshallah, we will absorb him and give him a position in this administration. Let me confess, like I always say, everybody who knows me, I'm a disciplinarian person. We have started, and inshallah we'll continue. We have started distributing projects that are having direct bearing to our people, and the people here can testify. I have just finished with some guests that came from Lagos on the instruction of Mr. President. They have rallied around this state. They are here before, some of them, and they have seen the developmental projects that we have been doing. They said that they are very happy with what they saw, and when they go back, they will inform Mr. President of what they see. They have visited the town. They went to the new motor park, they went to the new secretariat and other key places. They have seen things by themselves. So this administration is people-oriented administration. We just don't just live and wake up and say, go to so place and do project for them. I'm a grassroots person, which all of you know. All my life is in Kebbi. I don't want to be greedy. Let me say that almost 75% of problem of Kebbi State, I know it. So I don't need to be told that this is where the problem is. We consult with the stakeholders. We consult with the community before thinking of citing a project in a community. So that is why I call this administration people-oriented administration. Let me downgrade small to use this opportunity to thank the Honorable Speaker and the members of the State House of Assembly. And Kebbi State Executive Council, including our party faithful. Because in whatever way we achieve and succeed is based on the cooperation of these rulers. So therefore, the new sole administrators, this is a testing ground for all of you. You either go back and perform, or I will show you your way out. The era of chairman of local government council coming to the state cabinet at Birnin Kebbi and stay have passed. You have to go closer to your people. Know your people problem. Discuss with your people. And whatever is there, then you can now bring it to us. Finally, I want to wish you well. This is a very great task. And I want you to keep faith to the government of Kebbi State. We have given you positions, and we know it's going to be a very difficult task. But with God, inshallah, you will succeed. I want to congratulate all of you for this appointment, and also to congratulate the new commissioner. That was just working. All of you, I know your track record. So today your track record has paid you. Go back and do justice to your people. Once more, I congratulate all of you. Our people that came to escort you from various local governments, I want to also thank them and call on them to cooperate with you and cooperate with Kebbi State government so that we can move this state forward. I want to thank you for coming, and I want to wish you well, and God bless all of us.
Sir, Your Excellency, on behalf of the Assault Administrators 21 sworn in now, we wish to tell you that you will find us law-abiding and obedient to your administration. As we all know, each and every time you start
Sani jihar na kawo.
Kaunan gwanjo rukon ka daɗi.
Yes, ɗan gwamna ta ne na goyo.
Gyara zama gwamnan ka ba.
kawo.
Kaunan gwandu rufanka
Sabon gidan talabijin nan wato ƙauren gwandu.
gwamnan Kabawa.
Ban san wani mai kushe kaɗai ba.